So yeah, I'm gonna be using the Indian healing clay. Bought this like a year ago. Hope this shit ain't old. Okay, it's expires next year. So hold on, it's 2021. Yes, it expires next year. Have to make sure. And then I'm gonna be using apple cider vinegar with the mother. Let me get that in there. You know, focus. This might be my thumbnail. So, you guys, look at my hair. Look at the texture. Let me show y'all what I'm actually truly working with, okay? Don't look at my booty, okay? This stuff, it's been a journey. It really, truly has. Because I cut this stuff so many times. Look, my daughter is busting in here. Oh my gosh. But yes, too many times. Had to cut it, start over, perms, just everything. And I feel like I got product buildup. So I'm going to try the mask. This is my first time, you guys. So wish me good luck. Trying to get my curl pattern back because this stuff feel rough and brittle and I just can't because my hair is always soft. Like I'm used to feeling softness, putting my fingers through my hair easily. Look at this. You hear that? Like and I just can't. Like I love my hair, you guys, and I just don't like when it's like I haven't put heat on it in a whole year. So, and I ain't gonna be putting heat on it for a long time, to be honest. But yeah, I'm finna just do this. So I'm gonna be back. So first you want to put the clay in there. Boom. This might look like a lot. Put that right back. Then you want to get the apple cider vinegar. This is how you know this shit gonna work. Don't use water. Y'all heard the bubbling and fuzzing them. Okay. Next up, you supposed to stir this. You know I'm using one hand, so bear with me, y'all. And you don't use water because I heard this shit ain't gonna work when you use water. And then when you stirring it, you use a plastic, you know, whatever. I'm using a comb. They said don't use metal. I don't know what it's gonna do. It made me feel like I was gonna die something if I used metal. So I'm like, no, this shit ain't about to, you know, make my hair fall out or no crap like that. So I'm just following directions. This shit is strong. This is to cleanse your hair, detox it. You know, get your curl pattern back to how it was from the beginning. Make it real pure. You know what I'm saying? Bring it back to its pureness from the roots and the oils of your natural hair texture. You know how that go. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this shit in my hair. I'm going to put it in and wait till it get hard to see what it's really working with. And y'all, I'm going to be back with it. It's simple as that. Hold on. So y'all can see my face. Like, basically, that's all I'm doing. This stuff is wild. Look at this wildness. Y'all finna see a transformation. Because, ooh. And it's growing. Yes, it's growing, y'all. My hair is growing. But yeah, still stirring, so. Okay, you guys. Freaking bear with me. Y'all see my hair back there. Because it took me like 5 minutes to try to, you know, get this together. So, what I'm going to do is section off my hair into parts. Because if you're a true natural hair queen, such as myself, you're going to take your time on your hair. It's simple as that. Can't say that you're a natural hair queen out here in these streets if you don't actually properly do the steps. It's to such as being natural. Like, I'm not very good at parting, so I'm not finna just do it perfect. I'm just trying to make sure that I got my sections going. That's just as simple as that. That's what I'm doing right now. trying to keep my baby, you know, preoccupied. She and her occupied watching her Elmo's World Sesame Street. That's her thing. Hopefully she don't come and bother me, and if she does, oh well. Just gotta deal with it. Life of being a mommy. I love it. I don't care. I hope this should look like it's all out of place. I don't even care, because at the same time, y'all know what I'm trying to do. So, so I'm finna go in. Actually, I'm finna just put this in a ponytail like this, and then hold on, you guys. I'll be back. Sorry that I had y'all holding up like that, but I refuse to take this phone, touch this phone and make it fall. So with this, I straight gotta take my time with this. Don't mind my hair, it is growing, trying to grow back. So yes, uneven shit, yes. Don't worry about it. It's for me to worry about. So, here come my daughter. Come on, baby. I'm actually washing her hair as well. We're going to start washing her hair. So, I'm finna just grab a section. I know you. And just get the work. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm doing it, you guys. I'm doing this shit. It's just, the way it feels, it's just, oh, I don't know what's going on. Like, this is supposed to feel like this. The texture is like, it's soft and it's creamy, but when it go on my hair, shit, it's like it's automatically getting hard. I don't know if I let it sit out for too long or what, but yeah, don't mind my faces because this is my first time doing it. So whoever did, like, you know, explained, they lied. This shit, as soon as it touch your hair, it get hard. They like, it's soft. No, as soon as it touch your hair, it gets hard. Okay, so let me open up another section. I'm doing this all out of place, out of portion, but hey, this is my head. I'm not doing y'all hair, so you don't have to worry about it. You just do it however you want to do it. This is for beginner people that don't know what they're doing, people doing it for the first time. I'm the advocate, the ambassador for the people who wants to do it for the first time, because you know these YouTubers be getting paid to do stuff and all of that. I'm not getting paid to mess up myself. So with that being said, watch and see how it works on me. Oh my god. Like, I'm trying to really get it through her, honestly, and it's just like, it's hard. Like, shit is hard. Like, I don't understand. They were playing with me. Obviously, they played me. They like, all you gotta do is put it on your hair and yeah. This shit, I'm not even close to being connected to being done. And this is already irritating me. I don't know if I gotta do it fast or what, but ooh. I'm trying to detox and cleanse my hair fully. You know, I'm doing it. I'm trying to do this for me. So this is a part of my self-care, self-love journey, you guys. Cleansing and detoxing. Didn't I tell y'all it's about cleansing and detoxing and praying and all of that. I'm not just talking. This is for real. This is real life. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. You guys, just bear with me. Yes, and I know shrinkage to the maximum. I know. Black girl magic. Black girl magic to the maximum. Looking at my hair, you would not expect it to, you know, hang a little. I get it. I get it, but I'm not your typical. I'm not your typical. Okay. It's just get it. This is like giving me perm vibes, like without the burn. This is, except a perm or relaxer. When it comes to your hair, it don't be this hard. Like it comes on soft, but it's just like, man, this make my hair feel hard. Make me feel like my hair is hard. Like, I'm not gonna say it feels worse than it felt before I put the product on, but I don't know what to think right now when it comes to this. So just please bear with me, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Okay. And then my daughter's right in here, so I gotta watch her, make sure she's not getting into anything crazy. So bear with me, bear with us. So another section, I'm not doing this right. Like I see, okay, so look, this pieces of my hair. Guess that's the dead hair, you know. That's that dead stuff. Okay. So you guys, I'm gonna be back. Kiami, stop it. I'm gonna be back with my whole head like completely like in this stuff. So love you. Okay, you guys, so this shit is hard. And it's in my head. Shit need to get, yeah, my stuff uneven, y'all. But this is how it looks. This is how I look in my hair, y'all. Like, it's hard. Okay, that's a better view, yeah. Yeah, my hair needs a lot of working to do. Shit is extremely hard, like, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be back. Yeah, so I just washed the clay out of my hair and I'm loving the end result, like, because curls for the girls. Yes, hold on. No, I'm loving it. Like, you can't tell me a difference. The curls is like on 10,000.
Mommy.
Yes, baby. Yes, the water is hot. Y'all can't tell me this ain't no difference. So you guys, that was me trying the Indian clay hair mask, and I had this thing for a year. I don't know why I'm just now using it, like, yet. I just can't, because it's been a long time since I seen my curls. Yes. And I'm gonna be doing a twist style. I just can't wait to get my hands, really get my hands in this, like, yes. But if you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified, updated whenever I shoot up a video. That'll be greatly appreciated. And you guys help me, follow me with my natural hair journey, you guys, because this is only the beginning. Okay, you guys, this is how my hair looks being detoxed. Don't mind how I twist. So you guys, I will recommend it. My twists already be shiny like this, but I feel like my hair is softer, you know. So you guys, yes, I'm saying you guys can try it because my hair is very sensitive. So if it worked on my hair and ain't nothing happened, it can happen for you.